Hi everyone, our new CUET focus course is going to do things only from the perspective of CUET. So we do micro, macro, math, stat, Indian economy, English, logical reasoning, everything keeping in mind only one single exam, which is the CUET 2024. Through the CUET 2024, you will get admission into JNU, DSC, Hyderabad University, DTU, and Ambedkar, and there are many others. Alright, so if your focus is only CUET 2024, this is the course that you need to do right now. We're starting on the 11th of October. You'll get all the material, study material that you require. You'll get mock tests, you'll get doubt sessions, you'll get everything which will help you crack CUET 2024. So what are you waiting for? See you in class.